Let's talk about improper fractions to mixed numbers. So, an improper fraction is when the top number, aka the numerator, is larger than the denominator, the smaller number. And your children are asked to draw a model or a picture to represent this, or like every math teacher in the world has ever told us to show your work. This is what they're asking them to do. So, you make a picture, represent it, and you want to cut it into thirds because that's your bottom number. This is 8 thirds. It's improper because the larger number is on top. So I'm going to take a circle and cut it into thirds, make a little peace sign. I need to have 8 pieces because it's 8 thirds is 8 out of 3. That's really bad. So I'll do 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, it's not easy to draw sideways and then try to still look at the camera. I'm having a hard time with that. Okay, then I want to color in 8 of the pieces. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8 thirds. To write that as a mixed number, you have 2 whole pieces with 2 pieces left over, and it's cut into thirds. So we still have our thirds as our bottom number. Now, when we learned this in school, we learned, or at least this is how my teacher taught me how to do it, to use division to do it. So 3 divided by 8, you have 2, and then you subtract, and you're left with 2. So this is your whole number, and this is your leftover. What this is it's the same idea, thinking, how many 3s do you need to get to 8? So 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 more equals 8. These are our 2 wholes. 3 groups of 3, or 3 groups of third, is 1 whole, fits inside of here. So that's where our 2 comes from, and then the 2 left over is our other number. So that's how they want you to represent this in a picture so that your children can start to understand improper fractions to make mix numbers. Now, if you have a story problem with it, like let's say Timmy and his friends um, ordered pizzas, they come 8 pieces of pie, and they ate 21 slices. How much of the pizzas did they eat? So you would want to do the same idea. So don't let me just make a noise erasing real quick. All right. So you have, they ordered pizzas. They ate 21 slices, and the pizzas come 8 per slice, right? So you just want to make a picture of something cut into eighths. So I'm going to cut my circle into eighths and cut my circle into eighths and cut my circle into eighths. And then I want to color 21 pieces. Hopefully your child knows that this is 8. So I'm going to shade them all. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So Timmy and his friends ate 2 whole pies. And now the other pie, they ate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slices. So they ate 2 and 5/8 of the pizza. So that's how you would explain it to your child or expect them to show their thinking, show their work in a story problem. I hope that helps. Let me know if I can help with anything else.